If you're a young professional in Cape Town and you're looking for a place to stay for under 10,000 a month, then keep watching, because this place is going to blow your mind. I have a barber shop on the left hand side. I actually got my hair cut here a few days ago. It's the reception area on your left hand side. You can read a couple books, sip your coffee. Bread, milk and honey has actually moved over here. All the goodies you could possibly want. It's a good day to have a good day. This right here is the co-working space. You can kick back, relax and study if you want. You can work on whatever you like. This place is about to open up, sitting area. We've got a full kitchen, got a master chef style cupboards over there where you can put all your ingredients, and you've got some pots and pans which are provided. Plenty of room to store all the things that you need. Now let's go upstairs. Here is the room for under 10,000. We've got cupboard space over here. This used to be a hotel. It is now a living area. This could be your apartment. Beautiful shower, hotel quality. And I've got the sink, some towel space. The master bedroom with a great book if you like. It's a really big working space. I really like this, with an amazing view of Cape Town. The police station is right over there through those bushes. That's the police station. The perfect couch to catch up on your social media. A nice bed for you and a partner if you choose. This room goes for about 8,000 a month. I'll link the figures below if you're interested. We have a slightly bigger room if that's what you're into, right downstairs. A slightly bigger option. Let me first take you into the shower area. Very nice shower. Nice sink. This is hotel quality because it used to be a hotel, and it's now an apartment for you. You have a bath here if there's no drought, and a really nice working space for you smokers out there. You have a balcony. So we've got a few units available up here. The ones on the second floor, which is quick access to the restaurant and the elevators and the stairs. This is for you guys. Nice big open area. This is going for just under 10,000 Rand a month, and it allows you to work in that co-working space.
We're trying to sort of understand what it means to bring good to neighborhoods, and to think about culture, and to think about that we're good. You know, I think in like all of our lives, we're thinking about how to be more sustainable, how to be more sustainable people, how to run more sustainable companies, how to treat each other well. I think Neighbourgood, there's three words in one. It's how to impact the neighbourhood positively. It's about that we're good and how to bring it to the world, and how to positively impact neighbourhoods.
If you have any questions, please find my details either on my website, Richard Halbrick Online. You will see the neighborhoods section. And if you're interested, let's chat.